Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about this viral product that is the D'Alba First Spray Serum. And we're going to be talking about it in detail in this video, where I'm going to be talking about its ingredient list, what are its pros, what are its cons, what are the different ingredients it's made up of, and is it really worth purchasing this product? Here I have the 50 ml of the bottle. As you can clearly see that there is oil-based ingredients here on the top, and then there is water-soluble ingredients here. So which means that which can be easily dissolved by the water. But you have to shake this and then apply it on your face. So I'm just gonna show you. This is my face before, after the makeup, and I'm just gonna apply this, shake it properly, and then spray it all over my face. The best thing about this is that you have to shake it, and it's quite satisfying. You can see that it blends with all the other ingredients, and that is when you have to spray it. So I think that now my face is a bit dry. I'm gonna show you how it enhances that chewiness on my face. You see that? That is why it's such a hyped product. You see that nice chewiness, it just elevates it. This is the reason why this spray is on everyone's go-to makeup kit, as it's marketed as a first spray serum, so you can apply it right after cleansing your face. So it's a serum, it's a first spray serum. It's made up of truffles. Now truffles are really expensive. You need to go for scavenging out for the truffles, and you get a product out of it, which is quite innovative in its own way, because not a lot of people talk about truffles into skincare routine. This also claims that it can lock in the moisture. I just believe that it's because of the oil-based ingredients present in it. It locks in that moisture and helps you to have this nice dewy effect. When you apply oil to your face, it does enhances that shine on your face, because the oil makes a nice barrier on your skin which reflects the light and makes your skin look more dewy. This is the reason why maybe this is giving that nice dewy effect. But the best thing about this serum is that it doesn't actually makes your makeup look cakey. There are two different packages of this. It's like 50 ml and 100 ml. You can choose whatever is convenient for you. I bought the 50 ml because I wanted to try and test it out by myself to see if it's really good. But I'm not gonna lie to you, there is a con for this, because it is made up of fragrance and there are different fragrance ingredient in it. When I was going through the ingredient list, I did find a lot of ingredients that were affiliated to fragrance. So it's not formulated for someone who is very sensitive and can react to any fragrance ingredient. So it's not for you, as it's a Korean beauty product. So it's a Korean company, D'Alba. So they did clinical trials with this particular product. They actually did in vivo testing and also some clinical trials. In all the testings and clinical trials, it was said that it actually increases the skin elasticity, it hydrates, and also helps with the reduction in the flaky skin. So it's kind of an all-rounder ingredient, if you might ask me. But why is that so? Why this spray is so hyped? What is in it exactly? So now we're going to talk about the ingredients present in this formulation. The ingredient, which is known as tuber magnetum, is the white truffle. It's high in antioxidant properties. It's shown to improve or reverse the aging onto the skin. It reverses in a healthy aging process. And there is nothing out there in the market that actually has white truffle, honestly, in my opinion. It's kind of interesting because I have been using skincare for quite some time and I haven't found something that actually interests me as much as this D'Alba product does. There is quite a range of products which is made from white truffles, and all of them have benefits on the skin, and it's been proven in the clinical trials. But the thing about this study was that all the clinical trial humans were with a healthy skin condition. No one was having like compromised skin barrier or had a very sensitive skin type, which can or might lead to other problems. Because some ingredients here are high in fragrance, like I saw that there is rosemary extract, which is high in fragrance. Even the rose flower water is not a really good ingredient. It is also high in fragrance and it can trigger allergy onto the skin. It also had rose, daisy, basil, as well as ginseng extract. Now these all are botanical extracts. Although this gives soothing effect to the skin, they are high in fragrance. Now fragrance, again, a big problem, but it is not that overpowering when I applied it. But I cannot get rid of the fact that it actually elevates that dewiness. This stays for the whole day, and I'm not kidding when I'm telling you this, because it actually stays for the whole day. And if you're feeling really tired and your skin feels tired and you want to improve that dewiness, just take this and spray it on your face and just leave it on. It dries off, gives a nice chewy, it gives a nice, fresh skin look. I mean, I just can't even express it with my words, that it is that good. It is high in antioxidant property because of its whole ingredient list, because it also has botanical extracts, and botanical extracts do have antioxidant effect. But I'm not a huge fan of the fragrance that comes with the botanical extract, but you just can't get rid of it because it's from the flower derived oils, right? And also it helps with the barrier support because there is oil-based ingredients which helps with lipid replenishment. Now lipid replenishment means like our skin cells outer layer is made up of lipid, and when it is compromised, your skin cells starts to break, and if you apply oil-based ingredients, this lipid becomes tight and it has a proper packed skin cells, which makes your skin look healthier. Usually in the dry skin types, you need a proper lipid improving ingredients, and this is what this ingredients claims to have. But if I have a dry skin type, I would not apply something that is having high fragrance. Now there is something that makes this different from the traditional dropper bottle serums. Now it's in the mist form, so you just have to shake it and then apply it on your face, and you don't even touch your face. Now that is where you block that bacterial application on your skin. Usually our hands do carry a lot of bacteria, okay? And when you use the traditional dropper bottle, you use your fingertips to apply it on your face, and that is when maybe bacteria can be transferred to your skin, okay? But with this spray, you actually are even retaining the shelf life of the product, plus you're helping your skin not to have that bacterial transfer. So it's just, you just spray it, you leave it, and you're not touching your face. But when it's traditional dropper bottles of serum, you actually use your fingertips. So that becomes a proper plus about this whole packaging and the concept. If you want to apply it, you just shake it and then you apply it, and that is like a proper application spread of these droplets, and they work in every single part of your face. This is only formulated for the healthy skin barrier. People, please don't use it if you have extremely dry skin type, eczema prone skin, or your skin is really reacting to any skincare that you apply, and there is some certain skincare ingredients that has been given by your dermatologist. Please apply those. Don't try to invest your money into. It's not that cheap of a product. Yes, it is actually falling into the drugstore and high-end brand. It falls somewhere in between. I paid around 20 euros for this small 50 ml bottle, and the big 100 ml bottle comes around 38 to 40 euros depending on where I'm buying it from. But I would be really not sure for the people who have dry skin type. Please don't apply it. It might say that it's clinically proven and everything. Maybe they are talking about the white truffle, but they don't talk about this whole ingredient and how it is reacting to the person or to the patient who has compromised skin barrier. Now I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion about this. I have used it personally, and what are my takes about it. So I bought this product 2 weeks ago, and this is how much I have used it. It goes a long way, and I'm using it very, not on daily basis, but every now and then whenever I'm going out, and also it's in my bag. It's so handy, it's such nice packaging. You can just throw it in your bag and you can just apply it whenever you feel like your skin needs that hydration. I did try it, and I'm gonna give my honest opinion about it. Although it is lightweight and it's non-greasy, when you spray it, you do get that, you know, nice fragrance kind of a feel. It feels luxurious because usually the luxury brand come up with, you know, very tiny amount of fragrance into their skincare formulations, and it does feel good. I don't usually use it on daily basis, but I use it like every now and then. Whenever my skin feels like it needs that nice glass skin-like finish, then that is when I start applying this truffle spray. You know, this product also is really nice for me. It's just because why is that I don't have to carry like hundreds of skincare products with me just to get that nice dewy effect. I just carry this one product, and whenever I feel that my skin needs that boost of hydration, I just apply this serum. This is quite breathtaking for me. I have not found any skincare product that brings this kind of dewiness, and I'm not lying when I'm telling you that I am actually fond of this product. I like this product, but as I always push the products in my skincare channel is that I don't like fragrance product. I don't like, you know, any ingredient that can trigger the sensitive skin type. So I'm not gonna push this product for certain skin type people here. If you have a normal healthy skin barrier and you're looking out for that nice glass skin like finish, then you can of course apply it. It's not gonna disappoint you. Trust me, it is really worth your purchase. It acts as a setting spray, it acts as a serum, it acts as just a glass skin product. You know, it improves your dewiness on the face. It is just amazing. If you have extremely dry skin type and you are suffering from some skin problems, then please don't apply it. Although I haven't found any research paper directly linked with this product, but if you guys found it or if you guys are aware of it, please mention it in the comment section below, because I can actually go and read those papers if you have found it, because the claims are only on the website. And if it's on the website, it doesn't make sense because it needs to be on the ResearchGate or on the PubMed. Now, these are research-based websites where I read my research, and I also read about different skincare ingredients. If it's not published there, it is not actually valid, you know? It's just a claim, it's just a gimmick of the company to sell their product. Now to the part how to use this on the face. So as I mentioned, you can use it right after cleansing your face. You can use it as a refreshment for the midday so that your skin can get that nice hydration. Third thing, you can use it as a makeup setting spray to enhance the dewiness of your overall makeup look. You can also put it in your bag and use it in the travel time and just like travel or on the go. Just take out this, shake it, spray it on your face and let it sit. And that's how you will get that nice Korean skin with that nice dewiness. So this was pretty much interesting project for me, and I'm gonna also try some of the other products from D'Alba, and I'm not kidding, I'm really gonna do that. I also have seen other sprays from D'Alba. I'm gonna test it on me, and I'm gonna talk about this in detail on this channel, so you have to be really subscribed to my channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my different social media accounts. So that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that I covered all the points. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and all the details about this product are mentioned in the description below. So thank you very much for watching again. I'm gonna see you guys very, very soon. Bye.